Hello YouTubers, if you have Ford Focus 2016 like myself and you have a problem that vehicle dies every time you fill it up with the gas at the gas station, doesn't matter if it's a full tank or partial tank, doesn't matter, it dies right after you fill it up with the tank. The problem or the fix for the problem is this: it calls evaporator purge valve. That's what this is. I don't know if you can buy this for the 2016 in an auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever, but for dealership this part is $35. So that's what we're gonna try to attempt to replace this today. Seems fairly easy. It comes with a bracket, but the first thing I'm gonna do, gonna remove that, because obviously I'm not gonna remove that. We're gonna use the same one, original one, so this is just one of those things for charge you extra $1 or whatever. So let's try replace it. So the hardest thing is actually to disconnect. Well, it's hard to get there. So the first thing I did is actually this vacuum lines, just to get a better access. Then we're gonna put it back in there, back over there. So just clear away over here as much as possible. So disconnecting this plug over here, it's gonna come off the same metal bracket here, easy like that. Then pop what you do to remove that, you're gonna have to and then press over here. That's how you remove it. So in a locked position, here's what it looks like. So you would see that's what it looks like locked. What you do, you pull it up over here, click, and then press it here, and that's how you pull it up. Press it in the back and easily slide it up. So this is obviously gonna be the trickiest one. Can you see it down there? Okay, so it's gonna be a little, I think it's actually gonna be much harder. Okay, it came off. Pushing it with the screwdriver and it's off. So to remove that, it's actually super easy, but I can see how much harder is it gonna be to actually put it back, especially this one over here. To take it apart, that's how easy it is. And apparently the problem is this thing over here. So okay, pop that thing back over there. This one is gonna be the hardest one to get on. Okay, click. And now over here, click. Click. Well, apparently it's actually much easier to, when you have in there, when the line already in there, is actually a lot easier to lock in. So it's already locked. What I did, just I had a little piece of bent metal, just a hook. So when you have a bad axis like that, what I did, I actually just pull it up like that from the bottom. Well, but that's what I did to lock. It worked actually, so double check. Put everything back over here. And now we have to make a trip to the gas station to see if it's done. Okay, tank is full, so the moment of truth now. Before, it was right after you started, it would die right away. So let's see if the fixed the problem. Just like that. The tank is full. So that's how you repair this. Ford dealership normally charge this hour to hour and a half of labor for this kind of repair. So you figure $35 for the part and about $150, $170 for the labor. So you're looking at a $200 repair. But obviously, as you can see, there's nothing hard about this repair, and you can try to do it yourself.